Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of Meals from the Field. Obviously, just going to go ahead and point this out there. I am not Ray DeListio.
You are not Ray.
I am John Holcomb, and I'm filling in for Ray this week. And of course, you know Mrs. Marcia Crowley. So thanks for having us again. We're at the Georgia Grown Kitchen. Back here at our home, and ready to get cooking.
And it's nice to work with somebody I can look up to. A little bit taller than me, John.
You shrink down that way?
Nah, you're good.
Like
you're good.
No?
Sorry, Ray.
Good?
We miss you, Ray. Hope you're better soon. All right, we're doing summer stuff today. Obviously, it's summer.
Okay.
Don't ask me what month it is with this virus. I have no idea. I tried to make it 4th of July for a month. So.
Okay.
All right, this is a summer squash salad. We've got 2 yellow squash, and you just cut them kind of in matchsticks, or if you have a spiralizer, you can do that.
Okay.
You're going to add to that a 1/2 cup of feta cheese, or if you don't like feta, you can add whatever kind of cheese you like, grated.
Okay.
And this is 4 slices of bacon, or you could use ham, but you know, you can't go wrong with bacon.
Yes.
Can never have too much bacon. This is like 2 tablespoons of fresh basil, or if you don't have fresh basil, you can use fresh mint.
Okay.
And this is the juice of a 1/2 lemon, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. And you just pour that over, and you're going to think that's really not a lot of dressing for that, but it is because of the water in the squash. It's going to look, once it sits, it's going to be a little more moist, okay? And you serve that. And I wouldn't make this too far ahead because of the moisture content. And this is pretty good. All right, let's move that. Let's move that out of the way. And the squash is raw. The squash is raw. Okay, the next thing are chicken burgers, which I love chicken burgers almost as much as a regular cheeseburger. So this is a 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. I wouldn't use ground chicken breast. I'd kind of be too dry, but you could. All right, and this has got a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, or Gouda would be really good in here.
Gouda is really good.
Gouda is Gouda. Really Gouda. A 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and this makes them moist, a little moist. Let me see if I can move that without blowing up the place. Like a couple tablespoons of chopped onion, little fresh basil. And this is cumin, salt, and pepper, and chipotle chili powder pepper. All right, and you're going to mix all of this up. Let me see here. Get that out of the way. And you're going to form this into 6 patties. And you could make them ahead and freeze them. I would definitely make them ahead and let the flavors meld together.
Okay.
All right, and you're going to serve that. Of course, you can grill these. You can do them on a frying pan, on a grilling pan, whatever you like. You're going to serve that with a creamy avocado and corn salsa. And this is corn that I have roasted in a frying pan. I wouldn't do it raw. You can add onion to it. You can add bell pepper. You're going to mix that with 1 avocado that has been treated with lime juice, obviously, to keep it from turning. And you're going to serve that on top of your chicken burger. And they're very refreshing, very good. A little bit different, like I said, than a regular hamburger. Okay? And the last thing is fresh tomato bruschetta. I love bruschetta. It's got everything in it that you should like. If you don't, try it. All right, this is 4 small tomatoes, a 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
I'm loving the cheese this week.
I know, and bacon.
Oh, yes.
I didn't realize I was doing so much bacon until I looked at it all on paper and I went, oh, what the heck.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. 6 slices of cooked crumbled bacon. It amazes me you have to tell people to cook the bacon first, but you do. And then 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and a little bit of basil, which I don't know if I put in there or not. You're going to stir all that up. And you're going to put it on top once it's stirred really good, which is this bowl is not great. At least I didn't send it into the air, right?
Always good thing.
You're going to put that, this is French bread that has been brushed with garlic and olive oil. and toast it a little bit under the broiler, and you're just going to top that with this mixture. Then you're going to put it back in the oven at 350 until it starts to brown. And obviously the tomatoes will come through a little better. And this is a really, really good appetizer. You could make the tomato mixture ahead of time. I've made this for several parties, and it goes pretty quick. But all these are very easy.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
You know they are.
Yeah, they definitely look good. There's the final products there. Looks delicious. And folks, if you're watching this and you want to make these at home, you can always find them on our website, farm-monitor.com. You can click on the recipes tab. I was on there yesterday actually, and didn't realize how much 7 years worth of recipes.
That's a lot.
There's a lot of stuff to cook.
You know, sometimes I forget what I've done, so I'll go back and look on there. We've done a lot.
Oh yeah.
It's hard to come up with different stuff all the time. But yeah, that's a really good website.
All right. Yeah, absolutely. All right. Well, we'll see you right back here next month on Meals from the Field. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.